full attention, technology leader, Guangdong Rock Coolant Heat Equipment Company Limited. In this technology-driven age, who will be the winner of the business world? Rock is the largest wall-hung gas boiler manufacturer in China, integrating scientific research, manufacturing, sales and service. Rock are the first Chinese manufacturers to have a fully automated wall-hung gas boiler production line with an annual capacity of 500,000 units. Rock has been awarded with several honors, including state-level high-tech enterprise and top 10 wall-hung gas boiler brands. 17 years of hard work has developed Rock into a benchmark enterprise in the gas boiler industry. Rock has always viewed technology as its key to success. An advanced technology research center and an elite team were established from the start of the company. Adopting Europe's top domestic boiler technology and tireless innovation in the industry, Rock has acquired over 20 technology patents. In particular, its high-efficiency condensing heat exchanger technology, which has obtained national invention patent and is an application process for an international patent. This core technology enables Rock to have independently developed the premix condensing gas boiler with a thermal efficiency of up to 109%, which measures up to the highest international standards. Priding on advanced technology, Rock has successfully launched over 80 types of products, categorized into 15 series. Rock products have obvious advantage on high energy efficiency boilers and are very popular all over the world. First-class products rely on rigorous and efficient production operation. Rock upholds spirit of professional manufacturing and always follows strict standard requirements on production since its establishment. It has independently developed the most advanced automated production line to manufacture good quality products of international standards. From mold design and material development to precision machining and product finishing, Rock exercises strict quality control on each production stage. Every product must undergo in total 15 tests, including comprehensive noise test, wind and rain resistance test, as well as anti-freezing test. Rigid production and quality control enable Rock products to obtain the EU CE certificate, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 certificates. Rock is widely recognized by the world people. A perfect service system also characterizes Rock. It has created a unique file for each client and set up more than 50 service network across the country. Customer satisfaction is Rock's sustained momentum. Rock's marketing network covers all Chinese area and is expanding overseas to over 31 countries and regions, such as Russia and Britain. Its brand influence is on a rapid growth. With the commitment, make the heart warm, let every family warm. Rock is determined to develop more industry-leading heating technologies and become a world-class wall-hung gas boiler manufacturer. Rock will continue its efforts to create high quality and beautiful life for everyone in the world.